Okay, there we have it, the Splaytoraid from designed by Freya, sold by Keep Supply. And I built that thing today and I thought maybe I can show it to you. In this setup I use it with MT3 keys, DES sums from Pseudoku. I again don't know how to pronounce, and I used the new trash switches. These little buddies here, they are black with orange, they are pre-looped and they feel great for the price. For the price they feel awesome. I think you don't have to loop them, but I'm not a loop fan, so I'm a fan of loop, but I don't want to loop, so I would say you don't have to loop them. That's it. And they are really cheap. Yes. What else can I say? I built that in around, I don't know, 1.5 hours, maybe 2 hours, because I'm too stupid to solder LEDs. There are a bunch of them down here. And of course you see the great artwork. I don't know who done it, but it looks great. Yes, and sometimes the LED is a bit too close to socket. I think that's a bit hard for me because I'm an idiot. Or these hot swap sockets are a bit too close to the edge cut. I don't like that. But all in all, it's a great build. You can also build it Bluetooth because there's a switch pre-soldered on it. There are also the diodes are all pre-soldered, not the LEDs, sadly. So it's easy to build for people who are a bit smarter than me. And I think it looks great. I like the underglow on this particular board because I'm not a big fan of underglow. And I don't like that the controller is upside down or on the right. It's normally in the keyboard world where we idiots do stuff like this, we put it upside down, but and it has an encoder, of course. I have the volume button mapped to it, so that's it. Yes, what can I say? It's a great board. It's fairly cheap for the quality because it's really hefty. You can punch someone with it, and yeah. I just want to brag with what I bought. That's what YouTube is about and social media. So have a nice day, drive slowly, and dogs that bark don't bite. Bye bye.